A, B, C, D, E, F.
Come and me teach you Patwa now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. In today's video, I will be comparing the English alphabet with the Jamaican Patois alphabet. So if that's something that you might be interested in, please keep watching. Let's start with some housekeeping, shall we? Now, if you were to do a Google search about Jamaican Patois alphabet, you will see two types of videos showing. The first one you will see is the English alphabet said in a Jamaican Patois accent. So that's not what we're going to look at today. In this video, I will be looking at the actual Jamaican Patois alphabet, otherwise known as the Cassidy-JLU Patois alphabet. And that's what I will be comparing with the English alphabet. So from now on in this video, when I say the Jamaican Patois alphabet, I'm actually referring to the Cassidy-JLU alphabet and not the English alphabet said in an exaggerated Jamaican accent. Next, the Jamaican Patois alphabet or the Cassidy-JLU system is fairly new. So it is not widely used by many Jamaicans. The Jamaican Patois Bible was written in the Cassidy-JLU system if you want to know what the work looks like. So you can check that out, but hopefully soon it will be used more widely. But for now, it is not yet standardized and it is not regulated. So that means that spellings of Jamaican words vary. Many people use English spellings to the nearest sound of the Jamaican word, and some people are trying to use the Cassidy-JLU system. I, for one, use both on this channel, which probably isn't the best thing to do. So from now on, videos following this one, I will try my best to use the Cassidy-JLU system because it does provide some form of consistency where spelling is concerned. Okay, well, let's start with the familiar, the English alphabet. Of course, we know that there are 26 letters. There are uppercase letters, also called capital letters, and there are lowercase letters, also called common letters. So we have the 26 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, or Z, depending on your location. And like I said before, we have the uppercase letters or the capital letters or the big letters, and the lowercase or common letters or small letters. This is the Cassidy-JLU alphabet. It has 25 letters. The English alphabet has 26. The Cassidy-JLU alphabet has 25 letters. And we have these same letters. We have the A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. If you notice, the C wasn't included. Instead, we have the CH. The CH consonant blend, it's placed there because it creates the same sound all the time. So it's the ch sound with the CH included. So the C was not included in the Jamaican Patois alphabet because in this alphabet, every letter makes one unique sound. So in the English alphabet, you have like C making two sounds, right? We have the soft C, which sounds like S, and then we have the hard C, which sounds like K, K, right? In the Jamaican Patois alphabet, we don't have one letter making more than one sound, like in English. So each letter only makes one sound. The reason why C wasn't included is because the soft sound that is made by the C in the English alphabet, the S sound, is already covered by the S. It makes the same sound. S. So there was no need for the C because there's already a letter making that sound. And then the hard sound made by the C, which is the K sound, it's already being made by the K. So the C would have been irrelevant, so it just wasn't included. And the Q is the similar situation where you have the K or KW making the sound that the Q would make. So Q wasn't included in the Cassidy-JLU alphabet or C. But the CH was included because in English, the CH makes a few different sounds. It can have a ch sound, and it can have a k sound like in school. So it makes different sounds in English. But in Jamaican Patois, each letter only makes one sound, and the CH, the only sound it makes in Jamaican Patois is ch. It only makes one sound. Okay, so there you have it. The difference between the English alphabet and the Jamaican Patois alphabet, or the Cassidy-JLU alphabet. So they are similar, but they're not the same. The English alphabet has 26 letters. The Jamaican Patois alphabet has only 25. And Q is not in it. C is replaced by CH. So that's the difference with the writing. Now with sounds, like I said, overall, in Jamaican Patois alphabet, each letter only makes one sound. It's responsible for only one sound. So that's also a major difference from the English alphabet, where you have one letter making multiple sounds based on where it is placed in the word or what other letter it is placed next to. Do you know how to introduce yourself in Jamaican Patois? Do you know the Jamaican happy birthday song? If not, please go and check out those videos on the channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.